Hey, AT from CNC at Home here. I've got a little project. I got this journal from a friend of mine, and it's just too plain. I think it needs some etching. So I'm going to put this in the LE5040 and see what we can etch on it. Yeah, I know what I want to do. I want to put a compass rose on it. That's what I'm going to do. Well, that turned out pretty nice. I think that's exactly what I was going for. I like the look. Laser rocks.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.